after 2 months of waiting, Adidas has finally delivered our order. Hey guys, this is Aldridge here. Let's get unboxing. First up, we have this Nike box over here. This is a size 11.5. This is not mine, this is a friend of mine's. We got this during the Nike 30 promo. And this is an Air Max 90. It has the base of the white color. But there's also red, gold, and black colors all over it. Now, this colorway is called the 2020 Tokyo Olympics. You guys can guess why it is called that. You see on the tongue tab, it says 2020 with a Nike swoosh. The heel tab, the swoosh, and this thing is gold. But a subtle detail that you won't notice immediately are the details embedded on this mudguard. This pair was already discounted in the Nike website, but due to the code, another 30% off was added. So he got this pair at a steal price of 4,000 pesos. That includes shipping. Let's get to the next pair. Next up, we have another Nike box. And you guys might guess what this is already if you watched the previous video. This is the Air Max 90 Paris. I also got this during the Nike 30 promo. It was originally priced at 7,195, but I got this for around 5,000 pesos, 5,500 I believe, plus that was with shipping. But if you guys can see, it's mostly white, and the highlight is this heel tab with the French flag colors, the Nike Air, and a wheat stalk embroidered in gold. This is a tribute to the bakers in Paris, to the hardworking bakers in Paris. I love white shoes. It's not easy to clean them, but yeah, it fits almost a lot of clothing. It's easy to wear. That's why I got this, and I've been waiting for this to go on sale or to have a discount from Nike. And I'm glad and I'm blessed to have this in my collection now. See my full review on the card up here, and also I'll put the link down below. Now let's get to the Adidas sneaker. This is the Adidas 4D Run 1.0. This is in the Signal Coral colorway. It's mostly pinkish orange. I don't know the color. Yeah, I got this during the Adidas 50% off before quarantine here in the Philippines. The original price was priced at 14,000 pesos, but I got this at 7,000 only, which is already a steal. So this is an amazing shoe. I haven't worn it. I'll be giving you guys a full review, and I'll be comparing it to my Ultra Boost 20 soon. And I'll tell you guys what I think about it. But I'll show you an on foot today. The next box is an Adidas Hardened. And this is not mine, this is a friend of mine's. Because during the Adidas 50% off sale, we had to buy 2 things to avail of that 50% off. And he decided to, ask me if I wanted something. So I got that. I got the 4D, and he got this. This is a Harden Volume 4. It says on the tag it's an All-Star Weekend. It was original price at 7,000 pesos, and 50% off is 3,500 pesos. This is the Daniel Patrick collab with Harden. This is Volume 4, as you guys can see. The upper is dominantly black with pops of orange on the laces, the cage, and even the heel tab. We have this 3 stripes logo, the Daniel Patrick inside written, and the Harden and Adidas logos inside. Hey guys, what do you think about the video? Did you like it? These two are mine. I got the 4D, the Air Max 90 Paris. My friend got this Air Max 90, the 2020 Tokyo Olympics, in a Harden Volume 4, which is also a Daniel Patrick collab. He got this extra laces too, by the way. So, if you guys want to see more videos like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Comment down below what you guys want to see. And I'm also going to be reviewing this soon, so watch out for that video. See you guys in the next one.